What's going on YouTube? Back at it again with another video. Welcome to the Polar Vortex. We're back in Berea, baby. I'm gonna try to get my gloves out the car. I mean, dude, this is a lot of stuff. Genuinely don't know how I'm gonna get these gloves out this car. I ain't got no shovel. 6 foot deep. Poor baby. Oh yeah, get in there, Zach.
Looking back at times when I was broke, back when I just didn't have a word for hope. Credit cards, max bills piling up, and I really didn't let nobody know. Wife in tears, what you crying for? Selling drugs and rap, the only life I know. I used to tell her that I got us, I promised to not hit the road, but I didn't know I would blow. Now I got meals in the bag and a fam that I gotta.
Yeah. We're closing the door.
What's good, Joey?
What's good here?
It's good. What up? What up?
You need a pump before pictures.
Whoa. What's up, Joe? What's up? Yup, we back. That is gross.
Whoa, stop. No flash photography.
BD guy.
What's up?
What's up, big dog? I haven't seen you in a second.
Yeah, I know.
How you been? Chill. What you got?
Got alpha jacket.
Outfit of the
bomber
day.
jacket right here. Yeah,
Yeah,
A1.
fit. The wearing shoes on.
I got my tennis shoes on.
Nice. We got Bart.
We're feeling good. We're feeling great. Look at all that hair. Oh, turn around, give us a shake.
Okay. Oh. What's up, Reese? We're back, baby. How you feeling?
I'm good. We're good. We're good now.
Icy. Unreleased. Unreleased. Pretty clean. You taking pictures too?
I have no idea, bro. Maybe.
Maybe so.
I just came to bull with the voice, you know. What's up?
What's up? How you doing?
Just getting ready mentally to look good, you know.
Yeah, you look great.
It's all in here.
It's all in the mind. All in the mind. Speaking of all in the mind, those are tough.
Yes, they are.
Yeah. Cats or dogs?
Dogs.
Dogs. Cats or dogs?
Yes, sir.
What is going on, dude?
Brian's always pushing P, baby.
No, pushing me. Cats or dogs?
Cats.
Cats. Oh, cats or dogs?
Ladies love cats.
Dogs. You said the biddies love dogs.
They love
They love
cats.
cats. Okay, gotcha. I hate photos. That's. Yo, so I hope you guys enjoyed the media day today and the snow day. Boys had fun. I had fun. Everybody had fun. It was a great day. We're back though, so back to work. We try to film as much as I can throughout the season. Training camp starts on Saturday, first day practice. So try to get you guys some inside footage throughout the whole year, like I've been doing. Love you guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the video. Peace.